Shalom and welcome to 2 Minutes of Torah. This year is entitled The New Year and Its Effect on the Fruits, Part 4. The first year we discussed that the mitzvot Tluy Baris depends on the Kedusha of the land. We have that Kedusha. In the second year we discussed the fact that we need a majority for it to be biblical, the mitzvot. Now we don't have a majority of Jews here, so these mitzvot are rabbinic, but of course just as important as the midoraita mitzvah. In the third year, we discussed the fact that there are cutoff points in the cycle of the Shemitah years. So there's the first year, second year, third year, which we're going to discuss, elaborate on that now. But in the third year we mentioned that the new year for legumes, kidneyot, produce, the grains, and vegetables, the new year is Tishrei, Echad Tishrei Rosh Hashanah, while the new year for fruits is Tu B'Shvat, as the song goes, Tu B'Shvat Higia Chagli Lanot. And we need to take that information and apply it to the 7-year cycle and then put everything together. So what is a 7-year cycle? Every single year of the 7-year cycle, you have Shemitah, then you have the 6 years. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, before the land rests again. Every year of that 6 years, we have to take Teruma from all of our produce, kidneyot, the produce, the fruits, the kidneyot, Terumoth grains, vegetables. And we always have to take Teruma, give that to the Kohen. Maasair Rishon, give that to the Levi. The Levi takes a portion, gives to the Kohen. That's called Terumoth Maasroth. And then, first, second, fourth, fifth years is Maasair Sheni, where we take the produce up to Yerushalayim and eat it there, or redeem it onto a coin, and then bring the coin to Yerushalayim. Nowadays we don't do it, we just destroy the coin. And then in the third and the sixth years, Maasair Ani, instead of Maasair Sheni, we don't go in and bring it to Yerushalayim. Instead, we give it out to the Aniyim. But how do we determine which fruit and produce are from which year? You'll say, what do you mean? We just sent Tafshin Tet. Every apple is from the year Tafshin Tet now. And every grain is Tafshin Tet. And every legume is Tafshin Tet, and every vegetable. Not so simple. Because in order to determine what is from Tafshin Tet, there's a lot of factors involved. And of course, if it's from Tafshin Tet, that means it's halacha of Maasair Sheni. If it's Tafshin Chet, that's Maasair Ani, different halacha totally. So how do we determine it? When it comes to a vegetable, we go by the year it's picked. If it's picked Tafshin Tet, that's it, Maasair Sheni. Simple as that. A legume and Teruah, the grains, that goes by Onat Maasair, when it's developed to a certain point. Poskim say by Teruah grains, a third of it grown already. If it's a third grown, and that occurred in Tafshin Tet, then it's Maasair Sheni. If it became a third grown Tafshin Chet, Maasair Ani. And so too by the kidneyot, it goes by Onat Maasroth, where when the seed is developed a certain amount, or it's viable, then when did that happen? Did that happen in Tafshin Chet, before Rosh Hashanah? Then that's what it goes by. Or did that happen in Tafshin Tet? And that is the criteria for whether it's a Maasair Sheni produce or Maasair Ani. So vegetables are easy, goes by when you pick them. Teruah, grains, and kidneyot goes by the Onat Maasroth, a certain development stage. Did that happen in Tafshin Chet or Tafshin Tet? That will affect it. And fruits go not by Tishrei, go by Tu B'Shvat, which means we're going to analyze in the next year. Shalom.